Bossard Aerospace, your reliable C-parts management partner in aerospace. Born from the legacy of Boysen, Interfast, and Aero Negoce International, in addition to the network of Bossard Group, Bossard Aerospace unites over 100 years of distribution, know-how, and technical excellence. From air to space, Bossard Aerospace supports customers in various segments with the reliable solutions. Today, with locations across Europe, America, and Asia, we operate always close to our customers, wherever they are. With more than 40,000 part numbers in stock and over 60,000 more available, we offer one of the world's most comprehensive ranges of metric and imperial aerospace fasteners. Every part is controlled in accordance with EN 9120, but Bossard Aerospace delivers more than products. With decades of engineering expertise, we support customers from the design phase onward. We are dedicated to helping our customers to optimize the total costs of ownership by reducing the 85% invisible costs through Bossard's proven productivity method. With product solutions, smart factory, and assembly technology, we help our customers achieve an overall higher productivity. Smart Factory Logistics is the solution that digitizes your C-parts management into Industry 4.0 standard. Starting with Smart Bin and Smart Label Cloud to fully automate the ordering process through weight sensors. The demand is automatically recognized and communicated via the cloud connection, and the system can increase the productivity up to 70%. Smart Factory Assembly is a comprehensive solution for digitizing the assembly process. By using the software solutions for the assembly line, customers benefit from real-time data collection, digital work instruction, and reparametrized smart tools for transparency, traceability, and flexibility. Contact us for more details. Bossard Aerospace, your reliable C-parts management partner in aerospace.